Hey guys, welcome back to the Heat Diary.
Welcome back to our third episode of The Bigger Picture. So we're here with our lovely guest, special effects makeup artist, Jenna. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm good.
So how did you get into makeup?
Honestly, I've always been into the creepy side of things for a while, so YouTube has really started off most people's careers in special effects makeup, and that's kind of how it started. When I was like 13, started doing weird makeup. It looked terrible, and now we've like grown to get it a little bit better over time. So I'll show you later, obviously.
That's so cool. I mean, we're excited. She's actually gonna do special makeup on us that we have no idea what she's gonna do, but we're excited. And I thought it was a great idea just to hand it off to the artist to kind of make her creation. But it's good that you mentioned YouTube. I feel like everybody starts watching someone they aspire to be or someone they admire a lot, and it's cool because not a lot of people really focus on like Halloween or special effects makeup, you know what I mean? So everybody's more of like clean cut, if you can call it that.
It's definitely changed over the years, though. Like, there's definitely a bunch of different artists who will do regular makeup and then they'll focus more on special effects, like scary stuff during Halloween. But there's some artists that just do it year-round. So, like, Glam and Glow, Made You Look, different people like that who will do body painting and the whole makeup thing just for any season, any holiday. It's fun. It's cool.
That's awesome. When you were little, were you like into like just like regular like makeup? Would you put on makeup on yourself and stuff?
Not until I was like 12, honestly. So
Until
I wasn't
12.
really into makeup until then. I've always been into Halloween though, because that was just a family thing. My dad was really into it, so we always used to decorate the house, get really excited about dressing up and everything, and it kind of just went from there.
That's like one of my favorite. I don't know
Love
if
it.
you will call it like holiday. I don't know. Some
it's
people is
definitely
like,
holiday.
yeah. But I love Halloween too. I try to go all out every time for my costumes. So, I'm not like one of those people that's like, yeah, I'm just gonna, put the little horns in my head and I'm the devil. No, I actually like to dress up all the way out.
He's definitely the one that's always like, let's do something big. What are we gonna be for Halloween? Months in advance, by the way. And then he's like, let's do it. But it's cool that you mentioned the family. I feel like I think it was
It's a
more of a
huge
tradition
tradition.
in your family. So how does that around like this?
It's not quite around anymore with my family as they are divorced at this point, but it just always hits home. Like, at this point, it's become my own tradition with my friends. So I work at the Haunted Forest, and we've all just gotten really into the spirit. So every weekend, we're really doing all the makeup. We're getting spooky, making creepy voices. It's just fun, and this is something that we look forward to every year.
So aside from that, like around this month, what do you do? What's your other hobbies or jobs that you have?
I work at Sephora, which is a makeup store. I used to work at a cupcake shop, so that's fun. I'm mainly a student, really.
Yeah.
And makeup's just something I do on the side when I have free time. And I love just going in and having like all-out makeup, because now people are really appreciating it, and I'm just not doing it for myself.
I
People
see.
are like, "Wow, you look so great." I'm like, "Thank you. I look like a swamp
I
monster."
think social media had a big influence in it. I feel like it's put like makeup artists out there that have never been recognized, which I'm sure they're great at their job, and I feel like it exposes you to more variety of things.
With all the creativity and all the experience that you've had, how do you plan to like implement all these elements in the future to like, I don't know, maybe make a living out of it later on?
So what I'd really love to do is go out to Los Angeles area and work on film sets. So as a sculptor, like, that's basically what all of the horror movie bases are. So all of those big prosthetics that people see that create the monsters, that's all starting off with clay, and then you make a mold of it basically and create it from there. So it's really cool to see how that goes. There's a show called Face Off, actually, is where I've really seen
I
that
love
from.
that show.
It's so cool. That's like what I want to do with my
That's
future.
amazing.
I'd love to do that.
It's amazing
That's
people can do
awesome.
that with their hands. Like the fact that you see I feel like at the end of the day, everybody sees the end result of whatever your passion is, and it doesn't really display the amount of work ethic that it needs for you to get to that point, or like how much time and like just the effort that you put into it to the final result. I feel like that's amazing. And I feel like you said that you work like on a haunted forest.
Yeah.
How many faces do you do, or like how many makeups do you do?
We all together as a group, there's about 100 of us, or there's probably 100 of us that go and actually get the makeup done just in the forest, and then there's probably another additional 50 or so for the front circle. So I probably do about 15 or so people in about an hour and a half.
Wow.
What's really nice about that, though, is we do have airbrush kits, so it makes it a lot faster, creating all the contouring instead of doing just face paint with a paintbrush. It's much faster.
I'm so excited for her to do some of the makeup on us, and like I want for you guys to see how talented she is, and she's gonna do a makeup look on Hector and another makeup look on myself.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching our third episode of The Bigger Picture with Jenna on our Halloween series. We're so excited to see what she's going to make. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to check our links down below to our social media. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
So what are we gonna get started with first?
I'm basically just gonna do a black outline on your mouth, just to darken it before I go in with liquid latex and the cotton balls.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's just the first step, so I don't have to go in underneath all of the prosthetics.
Oh, I see. Okay, cool.
Something.
This is the final creation. This is my monster on Hector.
Guys, are you kidding me? Like, this is crazy. I'm in love with this. I'm obsessed with Halloween, so I am so like stoked to see the final result. And it looks amazing. It looks awesome. She's so talented. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And yeah, now we're gonna move on to Eric's creation.